Good morning, it's Thursday the 4th of November and welcome to our technical analysis review on the markets. We're taking a look at FX. We'll start with the dollar. After the news last night from Fed's Powell that the Fed have agreed to enter the tapering phase of the bond buying program, and they've initiated a $15 billion reduction to kick that off. And how has this impacted the dollar? Dollar has really reacted positively to this. We can see price action in the dollar has recovered all of yesterday's losses and is looking to challenge the week high, which comes in at 94.30. Above that, we've got the monthly high coming in at 94.55, and that is in front of resistance between 94.65 and 70. So on a overall long-term approach to this, we've got this double bottom formation which has a measured move target towards a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So there's an area of confluence there that we're really keen on. That comes in at 97.27. That will take definitely a couple of months to play out. However, we've seen this congestion area and price action in dollar has remained quite positive, and last week's positive move higher looks set to continue this week. So resistance coming in at 94.74, a break of there should open up and should see this move higher in the dollar accelerating. Obviously, that will have a negative impact on euro dollar, which is playing out this head and shoulders formation. We've had a retest of the neckline and horizontal resistance, and we really are looking now at 115.25. That is a key support level. That also is further supported by the 50% Fibonacci retracement coming in at 114.94, but normally that sort of level isn't the greatest, but it has been sort of impacted also by this previous swing high, which acted as a pivotal level. And we can see that we haven't really retested this level since the 20th of July last year. So we're really under pressure on euro dollar. Cable, similar sort of price action. We've got this double top formation, which if it does play out, will be targeting a move to 131. We're currently trading, or we've reacted from resistance, coming in at 138.35. Let's have a little drill down to the daily chart, and we can see the levels a little bit more clearly. We can see support this week has come in at 136.05, and really looking to challenge that. It's only about 35 points away. So support below there, 134.13. It's a little bit of a way off, but expecting to sort of like cable to remain under pressure with this dollar strength. The short-term chart, the 4-hour chart in cable, highlights the move a little bit more. This is more of a double top than a head and shoulders formation, but if it was really looking at the levels, we're looking at this previous support, which has now turned into resistance, and price action did stall in front of there on the 4-hour time frame and formed a evening star formation, and we're looking for that to accelerate lower. So 136.05, as we say, the support in there. Dollar yen has this downward trending resistance line, and we can see that actually yen has strengthened because against all the other pairs, obviously the dollar index is predominantly euro dollar. There's about 60% of that is made up of euro dollar in that basket. So we would expect dollar strength normally. However, this should have led to a move higher in dollar yen, and we've actually seen a little bit of a reaction lower this morning. Over the last 4 hours, we've seen a stall in front of downward trending resistance and price action pulling back. I expect to see the dip buying around about the 113.70 to 80 level. So and then maybe later in the day we could have a challenge of this resistance, which comes in at the moment at 114.35. So yen is fighting a battle against dollar, losing battle maybe, but we shall see. Again, the double top formation in Aussie dollar is playing out really nicely. We've had a retest of the break of the neckline, and we've seen a negative reaction lower. So really looking for 74.12 to provide support and a break below there should see an acceleration in the move, potentially down to 73.80. Above, we've got resistance coming in at 74.71, and a break above there should open up the upside. That will be a failure of this double bottom formation, double top formation, sorry. We can see momentum has, negative momentum has stalled, and we are getting this sideways price action. So thanks for joining me this week, and I look forward to catching up again next week.